Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're just getting started with Power BI, or maybe you're looking for a quick refresher, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to pin a report visual to a dashboard in Power BI. By the end of this video, you'll know how to take those key insights from your reports and showcase them on a custom dashboard, making your data not only more accessible but also much more actionable. Let's dive right in. So first off, you'll want to open your report. To do this, head over to the Power BI service. That's just the online version of Power BI, which you can access by hopping over to app powerbi.com in your browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're in, locate and open the specific report that contains the data or visuals you want to highlight. This could be any report you've already published to the service, maybe sales data, a marketing dashboard, whatever you're working with. It's important that you're opening the right report because we're going to pick visuals directly from here. Alright, now that your report is open, it's time to choose which visual you want to pin. You can think of visuals like individual charts, tables, maps, KPIs, any element in your report that tells a story or tracks a key metric. Hover your mouse over the visual you're interested in. Watch for a set of icons to appear in the top right corner. One of these is a little pin, kind of like a thumbtack emoji. This pin icon is your key to moving this visual up to your dashboard, which is great if you want to keep an eye on, say, today's sales numbers or a particular regional breakdown. Go ahead and click that pin icon. Once you've clicked the pin icon, you'll see a dialog box pop up, here, where you decide where this visual is going to live. If you already have a dashboard set up, maybe one you've been adding visuals to over time, you can select Pin to Existing Dashboard and choose it from the list. If this is your first dashboard or you just want to start fresh, select Pin to New Dashboard and give it a name. Try to pick something descriptive so you'll always know at a glance what the dashboard is for. After you've made your choice, just click the Pin button. This part is super straightforward, but take a moment to make sure you're pinning to the right dashboard, especially if you have several in your workspace. You'll see a confirmation message pop up. It'll say something like Pin to Dashboard, so you know it worked. Right next to that notice, there's usually a Go to Dashboard link. Clicking this will whisk you straight to your dashboard, where you'll see your visual has now joined the lineup as its own tile. Take a look. You might want to rearrange things, resize your new tile, or just check out how it looks alongside your other metrics. This dashboard view is what you, and potentially your team, will use to monitor key data at a glance. And that's all there is to it. Pinning visuals to a dashboard is a fantastic way to bring your most important data front and center without having to dig through full reports every time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions about Power BI or there's something you're stuck on, drop me a comment below. I always love hearing from you and helping out. And if you're hungry for more Power BI tips, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.